Good morning. It's Lisa with Soulshine, and it's morning tea with me time. I have my tea in my at-home mug because I'm doing lots of at-home work today. It's a gray and dreary day outside, but inside it is crazy busy. All kinds of exciting things. I've got a deck guy coming to do some repairs. I've got my real estate agent coming to go over a couple things, some last minute tidies, some last minute things that need to be done as far as selling the house. And I literally feel like I'm surrounded by boxes. They're everywhere. And I'm gonna be adding to them today. So maybe what I'll do is just drag you along on my day, a little walk through the day with Lisa to kind of show you behind the scenes of what I'm doing day to day. So yesterday was my Soulshine day and today is my house packing day. So I kind of alternate it for sanity reasons and time purposes, because if you can see the chalkboard, I only have 19 more days here. 19? Sorry, 17. Lots to do. So I'm gonna jump off here, but enjoy the ride along the day. I'll take some snapshots of some things that I'm doing behind the scenes as far as moving, and enjoy. I hope you know whatever you're doing today, I'm sending you so much love, and I hope you have a most marvelous day. Love you much. Mwah, mwah, mwah.